Coolant? What's that?
Do you know that motorcycle works by burning gasoline inside of engine?
Well, of course I don't know.
You don't need to say that so confidently. Engine gets hot when gasoline burns, right? So, the coolant's job is to cool it down.
Yes, that's right. Now, let's take a look at how coolant cools the engine down.
The coolant that gets hot in the engine comes back after being cooled in the radiator, doesn't it?
Wow, this is how it works.
Once you understand the flow of coolant, let me explain what exactly the coolant is.
Doctor, coolant is not just water but a special kind of fluid, isn't it?
Yes, it is. And what coolant mainly does is to prevent coolant from freezing or its pathway from getting rusty.
When coolant is used for an extended period of time, it loses these features. It may freeze like water or let rust form on the surfaces contacting it.
That's right. If you keep using old coolant, the engine may be damaged.
The engine gets damaged.
That's why coolant requires to be replaced regularly.
Yes, it does. Also, coolant could evaporate because of the heat from the engine.
What happens if it evaporates?
The amount of coolant reduces. Don't forget to perform pre-ride inspection and periodic maintenance. For how to perform inspection and to check the replacement intervals, refer to the owner's manual.